Assalamu alaikum. This is Farah Mumtaz, roll number EP1770178. Today, my topic of presentation is solid tumor, in which I am discussing hair testicular cancers. General information about testicular cancers. Testicular cancers is a disease in which malignant cells forms in the tissues of one or both testicles. Before starting testicular cancers, we should know what is testicle. Testicles are male sex glands and produce testosterone and sperm. Main types of testicular tumors. There are generally three main types of testicular tumors. Number one, germ cell tumors germ cells tumors, stromal tumors, secondary testicular tumors. Germ cells tumors are the most common type of testicular tumors. Germ cells tumors grow in the cells that make sperm. More than 9 out of 10 of the cancers of the testicles start in the germ cells. Almost all testicular cancers start in the germ cells. The two main types of testicular germ cells are seminomas and non-seminomas. Seminomas start from germ cells of the testicle that make sperms. The two main subtypes of these tumors are classical seminomas and spermatocytic seminomas. In classical seminomas, 95% of seminomas are classicals. They generally occur in men when they are between their late 30s and 50s. In spermatocytic seminomas, it generally occur in men, in older man. Non-seminomas, this type of germ cells tumors usually occur in men between their late teens and early 40s. There are four main types of non-seminomas tumors. Number one, embryonal carcinoma. Number two, yolk sac carcinoma, choriocarcinoma, and teratoma. Sign and symptoms of testicular cancers, including swelling or discomfort in the scrotum. There may be painless lumps or soiling in their testicles, a sudden buildup of fluid in the scrotum. These are the tests that examine the testicles and blood are used to detect and diagnose testicular cancers. Number one, physical exam and history, in which we are generally checking signs of health, including checking for signs of disease like lumps or anything else that seems unusual. Then ultrasound exam of the test, in which high energy sound waves are used or are bounced off internal tissues or organ and make up echoes. The echoes form a pictures of body tissues called a sonogram. The most important serum tumor test, in which a sample of blood is examined to measure the amount of certain substance released into the body or organ, tissue, or tumor cells in the body. These are called tumor markers. Tumor markers generally used to detect testicular cancers like alpha fetoprotein, AFP, and beta human chorionic gonadotropin beta SCG. Then inguinal orchectomy, a procedure to remove the entire testicle through an incision in the gluon. A tissue sample from the testicle is then viewed under a microscope to check for cancer cells. Now, moving towards the stages of the testicular cancers, there are generally four stages: stage 0, 1, 2, and 3. Stage 0, abnormal cells are found in the tiny tubules where the sperm cells begin to develop. And here in stage 0, cancers, the abnormal cells may become cancer and spread into the nearby normal tissues. In stage 1, the stage 1 is divided into three: 1A, 1B, and 1S. In stage 1S, 1A, cancer is found in the testicle, including the rate testis, but has not spread to the blood vessels. But in case of stage 1B, the it has spread to the blood vessels or lymph vessels. Or in stage 1S, cancer is found anywhere in the testicles or may have to spread into the spermatic cord and scrotum. You can see there is a different sizes of there is a different tumor sizes. In stage 2. Stage 2 is also divided into 2A, 2B, and 2C. In stage 2A, cancer is found anywhere in the testicles and may have spread into the spermatic cord or scrotum. There is a difference in stage 2A, 2B, and 2C is the cancer has spread 1 to 5 nearby lymph node, and the lymph nodes are 2 centimeter or smaller. But in case of 2B, lymph node is larger than 2 centimeter, or in case of 2C, in a stage 2C, the lymph node is larger than 5 centimeter. Then stage 3, the stage 3 is also divided into 3A, 3B, and 3C. There is a difference in cancer has spread to distinct lymph node. In 3A, the cancer has spread to distant lymph node or to lung. But in case of 3B, the cancer has spread to one or more nearby lymph nodes and has not spread to the other part of the body. But in case of 3C, stage 3C, the cancer has spread and the cancer has spread to the other part of the body. Treatment strategies, there are different treatment strategies like surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, surveillance, and high dose chemotherapy with stem cell transplant. 5 types of standard treatment are used, like surgery. Surgery in which in surgery the removal of the testes are done, and some of the lymph nodes, and may be done at diagnosis and staging. Radiation therapy is a cancer treatment that use high energy X-rays or other types of radiation to kill cancer cells to keep them from growing. There are 2 types of radiations, external radiations and internal radiations. In external radiation, use of a machine outside the body to send radiation towards the cancer. But in case of internal radiation therapy uses a radioactive substance, sealed needles, seed wires, or catheters that are placed directly into or near the cancer. Chemotherapy is a cancer treatment that uses drug to stop the growth of the cancer cells, either by killing the cells or by stopping the cells from dividing. Surveillance is closely following the patient's conditions without giving any treatment unless there are changes in the test result. High dose chemotherapy with a stem cell transplant, they are usually given to kill cancer cells. Healthy cells, including blood forming cells, are also destroyed by the cancer treatment. Stem cell transplant is a treatment to replace the blood forming cells. There are different drugs that are approved for testicular cancers, like bleomycin sulfate, cisplatin, dactinomycin, etoposide, and etc. Drug combination used in testicular cancers: BEP, JEP, JEB, PEB, BIP. There are the certain factors, certain side effects of the cancer treatment, like diarrhea, fatigue, hair loss, pain, sexual health issues in men, and flu-like symptoms. Many symptoms are there. Case study. Mr. AC, a 22 years old accountant, present as an emergency admission to your oncology ward for investigation and consideration for urgent chemotherapy treatment. He present with a 2-week history of malaise and lethargy, dyspnea, right testicular swelling, and difficulty in passing urine. He is not on any medication currently. An urgent blood sample is taken, and the result showing the following: hemoglobin, white blood cells, and question is that comment on the clinical signs and symptoms and initially laboratory results, what do they indicate? The symptoms that taken together indicate testicular cancers. Right testicular swelling presenting complaint in patient has confirmed the presence of mass independently. Lung metastases are also common of advanced testicular cancers, and their presence explain Mr. AC complaint shortness of breath. There is a reduction in urine output and difficulty in passing urine. This can be indication of compression of the uterus by tumor, and there is a rapid serum urea and creatinine leading to Ureteric obstruction caused by retroperitoneal mass. Thank you very much.